So, we are on the train. We go to the fucking Sox game. And I am drunk. How are you, Errol?
No sleep.
What's up, Schroeder?
Don't eat.
This kid's just spacing out and shit. Like, what up, dog? Fuck. I got pee so bad, though. Oh, fuck. Yeah. I just like down this cup. Like, this isn't even my cup, dude. This is Troiner's cup. He fucked up. I'm just fiending for some whiskey. I look so fresh, though. Got my shoes, my jeans, and my shirt, my necklace, the fucking hat. Damn, son, what up, though? Should I rock it forward? Forward? Or backwards? Yo, forward or backwards?
Forward.
Forward?
Straight nice.
Straight forward?
Yeah, like that.
Like that? Alright, dude. I see you. I see you. What up, dude? What up? What's up? Alright, yo, so we got some people on this train, too. We got some weird-ass people on this train. Like Santa Claus over there. I don't know if you can see him, but I can. Fucking, we got Waka down there. We got this nigga right here. Oh, I gotta pee. Alright, let's look out the window. Alright, what's out there? We got cars, fucking house, some old bitch. 7-Eleven. Yo, let's go to 7-Eleven.
I should have drove the same way the train goes.
Yeah, that'd have been a smart idea.
The first stop is like 35 or whatever.
We're already stopping, dude. What? Oh, we got girls. Oh, she's kind of ugly. She's decent. Oh, I can't even see her. Well, she's got a boyfriend too, so fuck the bullshit. I'll beat his ass. That's what I do. No. What's up, Troinsy? I like those shades. Can I get them?
You say what's up, Truancy?
Troinsy. I need another sip. I'm getting dehydrated. Whoa, what happened to the video? Oh. Damn. Yo, I need a cig. So bad.
Yeah, that was fast.
I'm fiending.
That was the first time.
Cool.
Nigga.
Nigga. Yo.
What?
I lost the pack. Oh.
Shut the floor.
Fuck, dude.
No, you fucked up.
What the fuck?
It's right there.
Where? Oh, shit.
How many got up?
Almost had a heart attack. I have 8 in this one, and I have a full pack of Camels at home. The menthol ones. I came prepared. So I wish, like, there was other people with us. You know? I wish I was more drunk. The video would be way better if I was more drunk. Yo, should I freestyle right now? I don't have music. I can't freestyle. I got music. I don't have music. So,
Just whisper.
Killing these niggas. I'm about to do my thing. I'm going in right now on the fucking train. Doing my shit, nigga. Fuck you think you talking to? I'ma hit you in your mouth and make you hit your niggas too. I'm a fucking G, nigga. Fuck you talking to, nigga. I'ma kill a shit like I'm fucking Waka Flocka too. You niggas weak, and I'm a fucking animal. I hit you in your mouth and make you drool that animal's yogurt. Nigga, fuck you talking about? I'm going to the stroker. I'm going to the Sox game, killing that shit, nigga. Look at Arrow's pussy ass. He fucking got some juju beads like a fucking mask, nigga. Like an ass, nigga. I kill your ass, nigga. And here is trying to just looking out the window, nigga. He is drunk, but I don't know what he had. He had a couple sips. I didn't even know it was good, but that was bad. I fucked up so bad. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I wish I had. Damn, I'm trying to rhyme, but I can't rhyme. I'm going ham like the fucking clocks on the time. Damn, they call me Mr. Patrick Myers. He is pussy. He weak. He can't rhyme. He can't rap. I'm fucking hit him in his mouth and give him a slap. Yeah, what up, nigga? Fuck. That was weak as fuck. I don't know what I'm doing. I wish I was drunk. Then I'd be going ham. Oh, whatever. Alright, that's good enough. Deuces. Till next time, deuces. Damn, I love this phone.